I'm Visa Makeover, back at it again with another reaction, and I'm here with
the best friends, guys.
We've got Alberto Spinetta Rezo VEZ and Vivo featuring Charly García. Guys, this is our first time checking them out, and we're excited because we want to see what they got for us. So without further ado, let's get started. They are so good. Like, the guy playing the guitar, when he started, I was so amazed. His voice is so incredible. Then the guy playing the piano, like, I didn't even notice when he started, but when I just paid a little bit of attention, wow, his voice was so sweet. Like, I love the simplicity in his voice. It was just so cool. Like, they just give you something in the morning, just give you something beautiful, something you're not expecting. Like, his voice is so wonderful. I love the way they're singing. I love the style and the instrument. Please, like the way they're going dun, 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 dun. I love it. I love the beat. I just love the line they're going to. The tone, it's so incredible.
I like the
so
storyline too.
Yeah. It's so nice, guys. This is a wonderful performance. I love the style. I love the fact that they're playing instruments at the same time, singing, like they're multitasking, and it's so wonderful. It's just so unique. It's kind of nice. I'm a little bit jealous because I can't play the instrument. Neither can I sing. Woo! Okay, guys, this is awesome. I'm enjoying every bit of it. I just love that style. I love the vibe. I love the way they're singing with so much love, and they just play the instrument in the right tone. Like, it's so incredible, guys. This is awesome. How's it for you?
Guys, this is amazing for me, and we need watching. The storyline is amazing. I love how you will see, and I pray. Though the pain is terrible, but he keeps on going. I love the music. I love the lyrics about it. I love the way they play the instruments. They were really fantastic at it, and the voices are incredible. really incredible, guys. I love the voices together. I love his voice, and I love the other guy also playing the guitar. His voice is really incredible for me. Like, it's a masterpiece, guys. Let's keep on watching and see what's more there has to offer. Beautiful harmony. It's beautiful, guys. This is a really lovely performance, guys. This is the best way to express your feelings out to the audience. I love the concept about the video. I love the vocals together. The harmony in it is really fantastic. I love the lyrics, I said that before. It's just really touching and emotional. I love how they were able to like express themselves out using music. It's really touching and very, very satisfying, guys. I feel that there was moments there that I shouted, like I felt that pain. I felt that pain in both of them, and I'd be like, they are letting it out, and that is really fantastic. I enjoy myself listening to this music. I love the how should I use the word love within both of them, guys. It's really showed in the music. It's really beautiful. I enjoyed every part of this music, and I love the response from the crowd. The instrumentalists, the backup singers who also contributed, they were really fantastic. Every part of this music is really good, guys. This is excellent. How was it for you so far?
I just enjoyed every bit of it. The way they just convert the song and make it look so incredible. It's so enlightening and beautiful, guys. It was incredible. It was awesome. I love the style. I love the lyrics of the song. The lyrics was so smooth, so nice, and so explanatory. It was so incredible, guys. I love the way they just sang together. The voices was awesome. The style and the love within them was so wonderful. It was so beautiful. This song from the beginning down to the end, it was interesting and unique. The style was just something different, something else, something you've never seen before, and I love that about them. The way they were playing the instrument was so nice. The instrument was one of a kind. I just enjoyed every bit of it. I love the tone, like the tone they were giving us was just so unexpected. Like it was something else, something you've never seen, and you just enjoy every bit of it because they just brought out a beautiful piece. I love the singing. Like I just can't have enough of their voice. It was so wonderful. Their voices together was, guys, it was like morning dew. Is so nice, and I'm just going through the lyrics in my head right now. The lyrics is touching, but the way they presented it, they just make it look less heartbreaking, and so they just give you something beautiful, something nice. And I pray for all of us, guys. I enjoyed every bit of it. I love the style, I love the performance, I love the instrument, and I just love it. I love everything, guys. I don't know what to say. And please do recommend more of the songs for us to react to, because this was one of a kind. So guys, please let us know what to think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please do ensure to like, subscribe, and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.